Buddy. Hey, happy Friday. Stop, drop, and breathe. I'm Lisa Mehta, and I'm so excited to be here this Friday to bring you all some breath work and to really have everybody stop and get present, drop inward, and breathe deep. And this is what we do every Friday at 1 o'clock on Facebook and Instagram to just reconnect with yourself. And today the theme is certainty. Hey everybody, if you're here, just give me a wave or an icon. Let me know you're here. Thumbs up, heart, little. What's your icon du jour for today? Love seeing you all here. Hi, waving at you. So we are having the theme of certainty today. You know, you keep hearing uncertainty and unprecedented times and all of this talk around unknown and uncertainty. So I wanted to have a moment and really focus on the certainty, because one never travels without the other. You can't have uncertainty without certainty. And I really think that it's a chance for all of us to focus on what we do know and to remember that everything is a reverse engineering of things. And so let's see, what do I want to cover about this uncertainty? So I couldn't think about uncertainty without thinking about the unknown. Hey everybody on Facebook, let me know who's here. Just give me a little icon. What's up? I'm just going to talk for like 3 minutes about uncertainty. Just like set the tone here for this. I'd love to hear anyone's vibe, what you think about uncertainty, what it means to you. So for me, I can't think about uncertainty without really the unknown coming in, because what is uncertainty? It's like, I don't know what's going to happen. Things are unclear. We feel out of control. But this is the thing. I really believe that the known is way more known than we think, because the unknown is just moment. It's like hiding inside a future moment waiting to happen. And if you are someone like me who's a conscious creator, and I know if you're here on my Next Level Manifestors page or you're following me on Instagram, you know that I'm all about creating a vision. And if you create a vision, you can reverse engineer it, which means things aren't as unknown as you think. You may not know how it's going to unfold, but you will get to a version of your vision if you stay the course. So I have an audio I'm going to post in this when I'm done that's going to share with you like a spoken word piece about the unknown. So I'm not going to go into it too much here. But this is the thing. When you come to moments in your life about uncertainty or unknown, you have to remind yourself that you have a choice. You can see worst case scenario. So if something comes into your life that you don't know, uncertain about how it's going to turn out, you have a fork in the road. You can either see worst case scenario and live your life always feeling worry and anxious and nervousness, which is a fear-based emotion, and it gets you contracted in your body. Or you can think best case scenario, automatically opens you up, allows your chest to be open to possibilities, and you enjoy a journey that could otherwise be very annoying to live inside of anxiousness. So I post this quote all the time by Bob Proctor. It's my favorite quote, but you both fear and faith demand you to believe in something that you cannot see, so it's your choice. So that's about uncertainty. We don't know how anything in life is going to turn out, whether it's these unprecedented times or not. We still never know. So you have a choice. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to breathe deep into the space of uncertainty, into the inhales, and then breathe out all the things that we just have to let go of. So here we go. We are going to, actually, I was thinking today, we'll just actually start by stretching a little bit. So I would love for all of us, hey Clinton, hey Carol Ann, what's up everybody? I love seeing you here. Hi Dina, awesome. Anticipate uncertainty and overcome it. Oh yeah, and actually that reminds me, I'm like trying to touch my screen to comment on something. Thanks for reminding me, Dina. I want to give you guys one quick manifesting hack that you can apply to your life, okay? And this is what it is. You want to walk around saying, of course I'm going to whatever you want to be manifesting. So like, of course I'm going to get a beach house in Puerto Rico next week because, well, I am, but that one's happening. But of course I'm going to find my most amazing partner in my life. Of course I'm going to make $20,000 or more a month. Just add certainty to it. Add of course to it. Energize it with the yes. Okay, so we're going to breathe in yes energy. We're going to breathe into all of the crevices of our body right now that may feel uncertain and just get solid with it. So take a deep, nourishing breath in right now, just through your nose. Get settled in. Out through your mouth. One more in through your nose. Out through your mouth. You're just going to raise one of your arms up and grab your wrist and just pull over, and as you take a breath in, and just stretch your side body. Take a breath in. Exhale. Really allow your body to stretch over to the other side, finding neutral, switching wrists. We don't stretch enough when we're sitting here. Into our little crevices of uncertainty and certainty. Coming back to center, breathing in, stretching up, up. One more breath in, reaching into all of that is above you. And then coming down, letting your arms melt down. So just finding a comfortable seat, putting your hands in your lap. I like to sit like this, like a little cup. And sometimes weave my hands, sometimes touch my thumbs. This is just something I like to do. Everything stays connected. Or like this as well. So we're just going to start to inhale through our mouth and out through our mouth. Breathing in all that you know. Breathing out. This is your time to just stop and get present. To just drop inward. If you haven't had a chance to meditate today, just breathing in. Rolling your neck from one side to the other. It's just also about nourishing, coming home to your body. So as I talk, I just want you to stay with the inhales, in through your mouth, out through your mouth. Just stay with it. See if you can expand a little in your chest. Opening your throat. Breathing in the I know exactly what I want. Breathing out any uncertainty that lingers, that causes self-doubt. Breathe in certainty and all that you do know. reminding yourself you do know who you are, you do know what you like, you do know exactly what brings you joy. Breathing in joy. Breathing out joy. Yes. All right, let's get the energy going a little. Using your hands. Open chest. Open. Yes. 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 Certainty is yes energy. You know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Stay with the breath. In through the mouth. This is moving anything out of the way. This is the no. No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. It's very subtle, but you're opening your chest for the yes, and you're hitting something away for the no. Open, open, open. Yes, you know, I am certain. Of course, of course, of course. It's on its way. And then we're on the path, we're doing our thing, and sometimes something comes up and it tries to throw us off, and we just go, no, 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 because something's always going to come, but you just have to be ready. Just like certainty and uncertainty to go together, so does yes and no, and you have to know when to activate yes and when to activate no in your life. Reach it up, reach it up. Grab the thing that you're trying to have more of in your life. More money, more love, more health. Pull it in, pull it in. Yes, we are so powerful, we are so powerful. Woo! Yes, we know. You know, you always know. When you check in with yourself, you will always know. Deep into your third eye, deep into your heart, deep into your solar plexus, your gut knows, always knows. So if you're wherever you are and you're watching this, I just want you to breathe in yes, 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 yes I know, yes I know, yes I know, yes I know, yes, yes. Close your eyes and get into the yes energy. Yes, 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 yes. It's on its way. Shower yourself with it. It's on its way. Certainty, of course. Wheel it in, wheel it in. Woo! It's on its way. It's on its way. Ten seconds and then we're going to breathe deep. 5, go for it. 3, 2, and 1. Slowing it down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just close your eyes and just go inward. In through your mouth. Out through your mouth. Like an ocean wave, no pause in between the inhale and the exhale. You got this. Charge it up. Get yourself ready for the day ahead, for the weekend of certainty, of knowing what brings you joy, of knowing who you are, and nothing can take you off of your track. And when uncertainty comes up, you just come right back to all the things you know. Inhale. Feel the heartbeat, feel the heartbeat. Inhale, exhale. Coming back. Sorry, Instagram, I went away for a second. I'm back. Oh, it paused? You can't repause it? All right, well, inhaling in through your mouth and out through your mouth. We lost the live. Gotta love that. Feel and hear the silence. Scanning your body. Just allowing yourself to really drop into your power, to your softness, into all the dualities, your feminine, your masculine, your certainty, your uncertainty. Reminding yourself you always have a choice on how you want to move through an emotion. So my invitation to you is, when you feel uncertain, and other little sisters and brothers to uncertainty are anything related to fear, nervousness, anxiety, future related things that you cannot control, or past things that have already happened. You just drop down into your breath, into your heart, come back to anything that you do know. Look around you, name something: fan, light, computer, colors, see things. Bring yourself to the present moment where fear cannot live. And remind yourself that you are powerful, that you can do it if you say you can, and that of course it's going to happen, and it is on its way. I will see you next Friday. We're going to be doing a 3-part series for money, love, and health each Friday. I've got a summer special I'm going to be posting. I've got fun things going on soon, more trainings, more awesomeness. So see you on the Facebook page or any of my portals. And if you are here, leave a comment so I know who is here, and I will see you soon. Lisa out. Breathe deep.